You ever notice how adventure gear waits until the absolute worst moment to fall apart? One minute, you're living your best, outdoorsy life, feeling rugged and unstoppable. The next bam, your tent zipper quits in the middle of a downpour, and rain starts pouring in like Mother Nature just filed a personal grievance against you. That's not just bad luck. That's what happens when your gear decides it's had enough of your neglect. Because, here's the truth, your gear is like a loyal partner. Treat it well, and it'll protect you through anything. But treat it like trash, and it'll abandon you in the wilderness faster than you can say, "Is that a bear?" Your outdoor tools are more than just stuff. They're your lifeline to survival, comfort, and sometimes your sanity. So if you think, "I'll clean it later," is a valid strategy, you're already halfway to disaster. So, let us talk about the first rule of Outdoor Club. Clean your gear like your life depends on it. Because sometimes, it literally does. Think about it, a filthy climbing harness? You're now the star of a new movie called Gravity Always Wins. Your technical jackets and pants, wash them correctly. Follow the care label, or you risk shrinking them into an outfit fit for your nephew. And trust me, that's not a good look on the trail. And your boots? Don't even get me started. If you think they're indestructible, I've got bad news. Mud and sweat will eat them for breakfast. So, clean them, dry them properly, and show those boots some respect before they decide to retire mid-hike. Now, sleeping bags, those warm, life-saving cocoons of comfort, they can turn into stinky burritos of regret if you ignore them. Air them out after every single trip. And if they start smelling like a swamp, it's time for a gentle wash. But, for the love of all that is warm and cozy, do not scorch them in the dryer on high heat. Unless you enjoy watching your money literally melt. Next up, storage. If your idea of storage is tossing everything into a dark, damp corner of your garage, please stop. Your tent deserves better than becoming a science fair project on mildew. Dry it completely and I mean completely. Mold doesn't care about your schedule. As for your backpack, empty it out before you put it away. Unless you enjoy discovering 6-month-old beef jerky and a colony of ants that have started a tiny civilization in there. Hang it up, don't crush it. Treat it like the crucial piece of equipment it is, not a forgotten laundry pile. And your cooking gear? Clean it, seriously. Scrub like your future morning coffee depends on it, because it does. Nobody wants chili-flavored oatmeal. Nobody. Look, things break. It's a part of the adventure. But don't panic like your Wi-Fi just went out. Learn to repair. A rip in your jacket, patch it. Thread and YouTube tutorials are your best friends. You've got this. The waterproof seams on your rainfly starting to crack. Reseal them. Boom, you're a gear-fixing hero. Zipper stuck, don't yank it like you're in a tug-of-war. A little lubricant and some gentle persuasion will do the trick. Tent pole snapped. Welcome to the wonderful world of duct-taped, a universal bandage that screams, "I don't quit." Use it until you can get a proper replacement, but the smartest adventurers know the real secret. Plan ahead. Check your gear before you leave. Test it. Inspect every buckle, seam, and strap. Ask yourself, could this fail and ruin my weekend, or my life? If the answer is yes, fix it now, not later. Weatherproof your stuff before the storm clouds gather, and you'll be the one smugly sipping hot chocolate while everyone else gets soaked. And yes, even the best gear has a lifespan. Some things just get old and tired. They've seen too many sunrises. If your sleeping pad deflates more than your motivation on a Monday morning, it's time to let it go. upgrade, celebrate. A little gear shopping is a legally sanctioned form of happiness. So, don't be that person. The disaster hiker. The walking warning label. The friend who shows up totally unprepared and asks to borrow everything like some kind of equipment sponge. Be better. Respect your gear. Maintain it. Store it. Repair it. And replace it when it's time. This isn't just about keeping your thing shiny. It's about survival. It's about staying comfortable. It's about having confidence when nature decides to go full chaos mode. Because out there, miles from civilization, when the wind howls and the rain is coming in sideways, your gear is either your best friend or your worst enemy. And you get to choose which one it becomes. Take care of your gear, and it will take care of you. Adventure favors the prepared. So gear up, stay sharp, and I'll see you out on the trail. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more tips. Stay safe out there.